tap the Download tab. You can download LUTs created by famous creators. You can preview the image before downloading. Tap Plus to preview the image using your own photos. Once you find a LUT you like, tap Download. LUT download is complete. You can view the saved LUT in the LUT tab. Saved LUTs can be used in editing. You can further edit after applying LUT. After editing, you can save the photo, or you can save the edits as your original LUT.